Okay, A-Team, all-terrain cleaning solutions. Now, at our client's request, you know, we always do the rinse. And she said that we're at the time right here, it would probably take another 30, 40 minutes just to go and rinse all these gutters. She said that she's fine with it like this. So she wants me to wrap it up here. So, but as you can see, totally night and day from what it was before and after. Not really much to see, but just to see that all the debris has been cleared out. Now you'll have little pieces, lingering pieces, but as you see before, remember this gutter was full. Let's walk over the rinse and grab my gloves and hanger here. And then we still need to go up top and get footage for there of the after. Okay. And this is a pretty big house, and I moved pretty quick. But it's being like a 3,200 square foot home, I believe, with gutters on every angle. As you see right in there, follow all the way around right there. Step over the rinse cap. Get all down in there. Get a view that way right there. All the way down. I'm gonna walk over here. Step over the rinse cap. And get a view down here. As you see, all clear. Okay. And we're just gonna go, we're gonna keep it recording. We're gonna go right up top here. So I'm gonna leave my hanger and that down. And we're gonna go up top now. Okay. One hand before the next. As you see, we have our wing lats right here that we're not touching. So there's, from that angle, again, like I said, you have a little bit of debris lingering, sitting around. But as you can see that it was manually cleaned out. Let's go from this angle here. You can take a shot. I'll zoom all the way in. So again, with the wrench, if we had the wrench would take care of all the rest of that. But just for the sake of time, she wanted to be right at the 2 hours. So, and this right here actually helped me. Look at this one. This one right here is like, it was one that was all clear. And again, that downspout is clear as well. So this looks good. Let's make our way to the back here. Again, we're going to step up this way to step over this. Let's step over this this piping here. Footing. Now come over. I'm going to step down here slowly when you're going towards the edge. A good technique is to get down on your knees right here and inch yourself closer to the edge. There's that way down there, as you can see. Turn back around this way, and again, all cleared out. There's that corner piece right there. And as I mentioned, we cannot go over this area right here. So our route of passage would be up and over the piping for the solar hot water, over the rinse cap, and watch your step. And then we're going to make our way to the front gutters here on the 2-story. This is the first one that I've done without. No, actually, I think I may have done some at the client's request. They said, hey, you know, go ahead and cut it short. We don't want to go over a certain amount at time. So, but here we are. But if you see, like, this is clay in here, and that's clay in there. And again, you can see from down there now. Remember our first shot. Our first shot had leaves and debris all the way to the full to the grandma. You go around, up and around, and all around up in there. I'm gonna step over the rinse cap. Take a look down, and that gutter there. So again, just the little pieces. Me personally, I like to rinse it out, but I gotta go with the client says. All right, so that completes. That's a wrap right there, dear clients, the A-Team. I hope you enjoyed this vlog and showing you how to come up a ladder, and I'm gonna make my way back down the ladder. You see, we took all the safety procedures, have it all strapped down, and then we have it have our wing lats, a stabilizer or a stabilizer, so you're able to do these types of jobs typically with one man. Okay. All right. Take care. You be safe out there, everybody. Allterraine.com.